In the 21st century, users have come to expect one thing. No matter which app, game, or website they open, the interface should be in their own language. It's not a luxury anymore, it's a standard. But here's the challenge. Imagine a website with hundreds of pages. Every time the company makes an update or tweaks some copy, would it have to notify dozens of linguists to manually update each translation? Or when a developer updates a game, often with hundreds of thousands of words, when moving from one version to the next, does someone have to painstakingly compare every screen to identify the changes? That would be extremely inefficient. Hi, I'm Sijie from East Innovations. Today, let's talk about how products with continuous updates manage its localization process. The secret behind this process is continuous localization. This mechanism ensures that whenever a product is updated, its localization version is also kept in sync. If your product launches in multilingual global markets, continuously iterates, and follows the CI/CD process, continuous localization is a must-have. Whether it's an app, SaaS software, a game, an e-commerce platform, or even a website, continuous localization ensures your product success. So how does continuous localization work? At the heart of continuous localization is a key mechanism called string ID. Think of it as a unique ID card for every piece of text in your product. Just like a person's ID can reflect their address, a string ID identifies the specific UI location of a text string. For example, imagine a pop-up window in a game. The contents within the pop-up, the yes and no buttons on the pop-up, all get their own string IDs. Now, what happens when the developer updates the UI? Similar to how your social security number or ID stays with you for your entire lifetime, developers rarely change string ID itself. Instead, they update the texts associated with it. So here's how it works in practice. If the string ID and the texts both remain the same, then that means there's no update. If the string ID remains the same, but the text gets updated, then that means text has been updated. For example, changing yes to confirm. If both the string ID and the text gets updated, then indicates a UI update. For instance, adding a new cancel button to the pop-up. With string IDs in place, version control becomes much easier. When developers update content, version control tools automatically sends updated materials to localization processes. And then translation team can translate in real time. Translation teams can also use the string IDs to understand the context and location of the string, ensuring translation are accurate and fitting. Additionally, version control tools track the versions of localization kits, ensuring that the product version matches with the localization kit's version always. For example, if version 1.1 of the product includes a new cancel button, using an older localization kit means the new text is then missing. Version control resolves this issue completely. Now everything seems ready for a product to officially release. Dev team now needs to maintain different environments such as QA, pre, and production. A bit abstract. Think of it like a band rehearsing in a practice room, dress rehearsals, before finally the final concert hall. But moving between environments can be tricky. Just like a musician might forget to bring their instruments or bring the wrong one. Developments might actually forget to include the correct localization kits or use an outdated version. Continuous localization acts as an automated system that ensures the language pack or your instruments is delivered to the right place at the right time. Through the combined power of string IDs, version control, and CI/CD workflows, continuous localization enables products to launch globally at lightning speed. It's the key to achieving true one-click globalization. If you have any questions about AI or localization, feel free to reach out. Thank you for tuning in. This is Sijie from East Innovations, and we'll see you in the next episode.